Here's my concern. This is a real valid concern, is that if you do not have real assets in your portfolio, particularly if you're going to be a baby boomer, then inflation is going to destroy your portfolio. If you're in bonds, you really need to talk to your financial advisor. If you're in fixed income, you really need to talk to your financial advisor and see what you can do. Now, there are things, if you're retired, we can really help with some of that. We'd like to partner with your financial advisor. You're welcome to call us. Reach us here in Phoenix. We have contacts all across the country, but of course, Phoenix is probably one of the number one markets in the world. Be a great place for you to buy some things. We're pleading with you to get at least 2 rentals in your portfolio to help with inflation and protect your purchasing power, because the December inflation just came out and it is going crazy. We see inflation may slow down. I don't see it going away. I just don't see it going away. It is really at a tear. If you've seen some of our other videos, you'll see that we set a record that had been held since 1975. Last month, we went higher than 1975. And in the 70s, we had double-digit gains in real estate. I don't know if that's what's going to happen now, but it's very similar to what we saw in the 70s. We saw oil rising in the 70s. We have that now. If you are on a fixed income, you are going to get left behind. Housing and real estate is a separate asset class, and it adjusts to inflation. It's one of the greatest inflation hedges you can possibly have. Talk to your financial advisor. Call us. As a call to action, call us. We're more than happy to work with you to find you a very conservative property that's going to protect your purchasing power and, of course, put cash flow into your portfolio. This is what we want to do. We want to make sure that you get more income, but inflation is certainly rising. Here's the call to action. We want you to have at least 2 of these properties in your portfolio if you're going to retire. 10 is so much better. If you have 10, your life is going to be absolutely marvelous. It's going to be a really good market for yourself. We'd be really pleased if that were what happened. But you can find these homes virtually everywhere in the United States. We're loaded with them. We have tens of thousands of them here in Phoenix Metro, and you can buy these. They rent out virtually every single day. It's a call to action. I've been told I'm not being stressing this enough. You need to get at least 2 properties in your portfolio. Call us. You're welcome to reach me at michael@michaeldouville.com. These rent out overnight. Just overnight. You're not going to worry. Don't worry that they're never going to rent. They rent out. We have multiple people looking for these. Of course, this is a decades-long trend. This isn't something that's going to be done in 2 or 3 months. We're looking for decades. So please call us as a call to action for you to get one of these properties. These are very reasonable in Phoenix, and they rent out overnight, and we get a nice cash flow, and that cash flow includes property manager, so you don't have to deal with the tenants. You're not going to get a call in the middle of the night that the toilet doesn't work. You're going to call your property manager. He's going to take care of that. They're going to put tenants in for you. They're going to collect your rents. They're going to do everything that you possibly can. It's very reasonable. When we do our calculations, we always include a property manager. We include the cost of leasing, cost of repair. We put a vacancy factor in, so we can give you something as representative as we possibly can for what you're going to receive on a monthly basis. Because you buy a property, you're going to start getting cash flow the very next month. In 30 days, you're going to start getting cash flow. That's what we want to do. Please give us a call, and let's get this going. Let me go to my next slide. Now, this is CYA for me. We are all licensed real estate agents here in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm a real estate broker, but I'm affiliated with West USA Realty. This is their corporate number. You can reach me at 602-942-4200. Call me. We'll do everything we possibly can. Call me at 602-942-4200. Reach me at michael@michaeldouville.com. My very best to you.